Alright, well, welcome to my channel today. I'm excited. I got a new meat grinder. My son and I were grinding some meat. I've had a grinder for 20 years. It's been a good little half horsepower grinder that we bought. We ground hundreds and hundreds of pounds of animals with it. And my son and I were grinding bear this September, and his limb that he's only had for a year blew up, and my 20-year-old one got a bone in it and it blew up, so I upgraded. Anyway, I'm excited about this. I found this on the internet. This company looks great. I'm going to do an out of the box first impression review on this, and then later we'll do a couple of videos grinding up some meat. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I got the feed horn on. I'm going to go ahead and go through the internal components with it. The feed auger, I was impressed with this. It's solid, one piece. It's got a bushing on the back. It's got machined in gears that are going to mesh with the gears inside of here. Bushing fell off. And on the end it's got a square plate here where the knife will fit on, and then round for the cutting plates. So to put this together, this slides in here, and you feel it hit the end back there. Twist it slightly until it slides right in. There's no slack in it at all. Fits in there just perfect. Take the cutting plate or cutter. Knife blades go on the outside. Fits over that square peg just like that. And then the different plates, there's a coarse grind, medium grind, and a fine grind. They all three came with it. There's a notch in the bottom of these. There's a ridge in the bottom here. They match up. This comes over the end, and that just pops on there like that. And then most companies just have this little nut that twists on there. It's usually plastic. It'll strip real easy. These guys are serious, man. They sent this big old cap here with some good handles on it. Get the right pressure. It comes on here. Stuff's all looks like stainless steel. It's well thought out. That spins on till it's tight, and then it's ready to go. We'll put on the meat tray up here. One thing between my half horse one and this, first thing I noticed is my half horse one's feed neck was almost probably half as small. This one, you can actually put your hand in it. I have pretty big hands, and they'll go in there. I can fill things down in there. General rule, if it goes in there, it's going to get ground up. Anything that goes in there gets ground up. 1.5 horsepower, probably bones and everything else. I don't know. We'll find out. This has a safety on it, so you can't do that. That's for the people out there that I guess can't figure out. You don't put your hands in holes where grinders are. So this drops over the top. Take the pusher. That's what goes down in there. And we're ready to grind. It also comes with sausage stuffing tubes. 3 different sizes here. I don't know what their millimeters are. And then this is the adapter for it. These slide in here like that. They twist lock in. And then you would disassemble this, put this in here, reassemble for sausage. When I stuff some sausages, I'll show that a little better. And that's pretty much it out of the box. It's pretty simple, straightforward. Instructions were great. I'm looking forward to it. Lifetime warranty. I'm as happy with it. I think the company's happy with it if they're going to stand behind it like that. It's all metal construction. Oh, forgot about this. This little tray down here to put your stuff in. That's going to come in handy. So anyway, there's the breakdown on it. So we're going to cut away. We're going to come back and run some meat through it. See if my impressions of it grinding meat are as good as my impressions of it as coming out of the box. So thanks for watching, and we'll get back with you.